In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up RoEarn here on Roblox, which is going to allow you to get free Robux here on Roblox. This is a completely safe and legit way to get free Robux through Roblox's new extension, and it's pretty awesome. But before we actually dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is super easy to set up, but as of right now, it is only on Google Chrome. If you do set it up on Google Chrome once, it will work on other platforms though. So I would definitely recommend just loading into Google Chrome on some sort of like PC or web browser or any device really that has Google Chrome on it. And essentially what you're going to want to do is just search up in a web browser, RoEarn, just like so. Once you type that in, go ahead and select the first link, and it's going to take you to the Chrome web store where you're going to want to hit add to Chrome or download extension. As soon as you go ahead and do that, it's going to immediately redirect you to Roblox where you're going to want to go ahead and sign into your account. It's going to ask for an invite code. Go ahead and put AWSVXGJB exactly like so. I'm going to have this down in the pinned comment as well if you want to just directly copy it. This is going to give you an instant 5 Robux, so it's definitely worth actually using. Plus, it helps us out a little bit here on this channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. But essentially, as soon as you go ahead and do that, you'll see your RoEarn dashboard, which is going to look like this. It's going to show you how much you've made from this so far, and you can withdraw it as well to Roblox immediately. But you can also go to the marketplace and you'll see that you will now have the option to earn Robux simply by purchasing this. Essentially, whenever you make a purchase, you're going to get a percentage of your Robux back, which you can use later on, essentially meaning that you get free Robux. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.